Hello, Miss Lizzie. Miss Lizzie, how are you? You good burbulator? You down here are a hungry bird, aren't you? Yes, you are. And you up here. Miss Lizzie, excuse me, you being a handy bird? Hey, what you doing? Oh, wrap around, Birbie. Wrap around, Birbie. Hey, Lizzie. Miss Lizzie. Hello, Miss Lizzie. Hey? Do I get a kissy? I do. Kissies from Miss Lizzie. Hey? Oi! Oi! Don't you push the Miss Lizzie off. You get a shovel later. Yes, you do. Lizzie! Stay there, Miss Lizzie. Hello, you. You being a good bird? You being a good Birbie? Oi! Oh, Miss Lizzie. Miss Lizzie. Miss Lizzie. Do you want to swap sides, Miss Lizzie? Hey? Oh, Miss Lizzie. Hey. Hey. Miss Lizzie. Come on. Come on, Miss Lizzie. Hello, yes. Yes. Come on, Lizzie. Up you come. Oh, come on, Lizzie. Lizzie, come on, Lizzie. You come around that side. There we go. Yes, Miss Lizzie. Oh, who we got? Is that Miss Lizzie? Who we got? No. Hello. Hello. Bugsy. Miss Lizzie. Hello. Oh, Miss Lizzie, there you are. Yes, Kissy. Oh, big Kissy. Lizzie and Bugsy. Lizzie on my left, Bugsy on my right. Beautiful Birbs. Oh, it's raining again a bit, Birbsies. Hey? Hey, Miss Liz. Hey, Miss Liz, do I get a big kiss? You give me a kiss kiss? Do I get a kiss kiss? Oh, yeah. Yeah, kissy kiss. Kissy? Kiss kiss. There we are. Look at you, beautiful Birbie. Aren't you, Miss Lizzie? Hey, Bugsy ones. Oh, Lizzie, come on, Liz. Oh, it's a bit wet. It's going to get wet. I might have to go in the dry there, you know. Hey? Hey? I might have to call this off if it starts raining too hard. I don't want the seed buckets to get full of water, Miss Lizzie. No, can't have that. Hey, Bugsy. Bugsy Wugs. Bugs. Miss Lizzie, kissy kiss. Do I get a kissy kiss? I do. Bugsy. A kissy from Lizzie. Ooh. Hello. Oh, Lizzie. Oh, kissy. Kissy Liz. Come on, Lizzie. Oh, it's getting wet. It's getting very wet. I'll be back, Birbies.